They laughed at you, they ignored you, they doubted you. Good, now disappear. The world rewards noise, but transformation happens in silence. Marcus Aurelius once said, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. No announcements, no validation, just work. For the next 6 months, you don't chase attention, you chase discipline. Wake up early, train your body, control your mind, build your purpose. No one needs to see it. While they scroll, you study. While they party, you build. While they complain, you execute. This is what separates men." Epictetus taught, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Discipline is freedom. Every time you resist distraction, you take back control. It won't be easy. You'll feel lonely. You'll feel tired. You'll feel like quitting. That's the test. But one day, they'll see you again. Stronger, sharper, focused, unrecognizable. Stay silent. Stay dangerous. Stay disciplined. Your time is coming.